Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch from Amazon personal to business account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. And now to switch your account from personal to business account, you'll have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and to see all the settings, scroll all the way down until you see all account option and click on it. Now here, as you scroll down, you'll see your option create your free business account. Click on it. Now to convert it to business account, click on begin account conversion. Now I don't want to convert my account into a business account, so I'll leave it as it is. But if you want to convert your account into a business account, simply click on the convert to a business account button. And that's how you can convert your personal account into business account on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.